natin mga paps. Titanium Max 15. Ito yung specs nya. 1,000 watts. Try naman natin mga paps yung ano, yung hindi ma-bass na music.
This strong, our dreams are young and we both know they take us where we want to go. Hold me now, touch me now. I want to live without you. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You ought to know by now. If the road ahead is not so easy, our love will lead the way for us. Together anymore. And if love never lasts forever, tell me what's forever for? So what's the glory in living? Doesn't anybody ever stay together anymore? And if love never lasts forever, tell me what's forever for? Every now and then I cry. Every night you keep staying on my mind. All my friends say I'll survive. It just takes time,
Ay, magmalikot.
but I don't think time is gonna heal this broken heart. No, I don't see how it can. It's broken all apart. A million miracles could never stop the pain or put all the pieces together again. No, I don't think time is gonna heal this broken heart. No, I don't see how it can while we are still apart. And when you hear the song, I hope that you will see that time won't heal a broken hearted me. Every day is just the same, playing games, different lovers, different names. They keep saying I'll survive. It just takes time, but I don't think time is gonna heal this broken heart. No, I don't see it broken all apart. A million miracles could never stop the pain or put all the pieces together again. No, I don't think time is gonna heal this broken heart. No, I don't see how it can while we are still apart. When you hear the song, I hope that you will see that time won't heal a broken.
Good day mga paps. Ito nga pala yung katas ng aking bonus. Nabili ko isang pares na Titanium Max 15. 1,000 watt siya. Dahil na lang kaya ng budget ko, nabili ko passive speaker. Marami kasi ako napanood sa YouTube na kesyo minamali itong brand na to. Kaya sa akin naman, dahil wala lang talaga, ilang kaya ng budget, yun nabili ko. Dalawa kasi pinipilian ko, PLX15 ng Crown, tapos yung Titanium Audio Maxx 15. Salamat na rin sa advice ni Eros. Mas nagustuhan ko yung tone niya, klaro, malakas, napili ko. Kung napanood niyo yung buong video mga paps, kayo na yung mag-judge kung yan, kung ano, kayo na mag-judge mga paps kung anong masasabi niyo sa performance ng Titanium Audio na Max 15. Ganito na lang mga paps, maraming salamat sa patuloy na pagsuporta sa aking channel. At kung bago lang kayo sa aking channel, baka naman i-hit nyo na yung subscribe at saka yung bell button para updated kayo sa mga darating ko pa na may upload ko ng mga bagong videos. Muli, maraming salamat mga paps.